Okay, so sa tutorial na ito, gagawa tayo ng student management system. Student management system. And we will break yung program na ito into 7 module. So, ang first module natin na gagawin is magkakaroon tayo ng printing mga versions or yung title ng mismong program natin. So, ang gagawin natin, we will be using yung print. And then after nun, opening and closing parenthesis and magkakaroon lang tayo ng double quotation since gagamit tayo ng string. So lalagyan lang natin siya ng kaunting design para sa magiging title natin. So copy natin to, paste, and then papalitan lang natin ng student management system. Then sa baba, copy natin to, then ipipaste lang natin to. So after nun, ang gagawin naman natin is gagamit tayo ng variable na tatawagin natin na system underscore name. So mag-a-assign lang tayo na value dito, for example, na student management system. Then after nun, maglalagay lang tayo ng variable na version, equal natin siya into version 1.0. So this will be yung student management system natin na version 1.0. And gagamitin natin yung 7 modules dito, step by step. Then after nun, ang next naman na gagawin natin is to print yung system natin and then yung version natin. So ang gagawin natin first is lalagay natin yung system and then colon and then space. Then after that, lalagay lang tayo ng comma dito and then we will call out yung system name natin. Then after nun, copy and paste, papalitan lang natin siya ng version. So itong variable na ito will be changed into version which is this one. Okay? And then after that, gagawin natin, we will be using yung print natin. Then lalagay natin dito yung /n para sa new line natin. Then lalagay natin welcome to the student management system. Yan. So, ito yung first module natin, more on printing lang siya. So, pag ni-run natin siya, so ito lang yan. So, student management system natin will be yung student management system. Version will be 1.0 and welcome to the student management system.